Hey, I'm Sawyer. I wasn't born rich and never studied trading. I just started and never stopped. Now I make over $100,000 every week and own several villas and apartments around the world. I created a Telegram channel where I share everything for free. Training, practice and signals for any level. Join the community and message me. We will start your first trade together. False moves are part of the game. They appear strong but lack foundation. I filter them by watching speed. Fast but thin moves collapse fast. True direction has depth and stability. I wait for the market to prove its intent. We are opening 2 buy trades here as soon as I noticed the candle showing upward moment. I open the trades because when the closing candle shows an upward impulse, it usually means the next candle should also move up. Most people think trading is just about signals, but that's not how real progress happens. I run live sessions where I personally guide people through real strategies and show how to apply them in practice. You can join the free strategy practice inside my Telegram, get daily trading signals, and even access the VIP group for advanced setups. Hit the link below and start your free strategy practice today. Let's break this setup down. Opening in the direction of the trend is always more reliable than trading against it. The price is moving inside the Keltner channel, and right now we can see a bounce from the lower band. We also observe that both stochastic indicators are coming out of the oversold zone, which gives a strong confirmation to buy. That's why we open 2 upward trades here. In the final seconds, both positions close in profit. After all these years, I stopped seeking signals. Now I just look for truth in price, because direction isn't found, it's felt. When analysis meets peace, trading becomes art, and every minute candle tells a story worth listening to. Here we are opening a buy trade. In this case, we are trading against the main trend. So let's observe how the movement develops. Right now a new local low is forming, and after that I expect the price movement to turn upward. For clarity, here we can mark the support area and the newly formed local low, from which we will expect the upward reversal. Both stochastic indicators are now in the oversold zone, so we will wait for a breakout upward. It wasn't the best entry level. Right after we opened, the previous candle pushed down. But even with the imperfect entry, the trade still closes successfully in profit. The mistake most traders make is guessing reversals. They see a red candle and think it's a trend change. But one candle never defines direction. Structure does. I wait for confirmation, pullback, reaction, continuation. That's where clarity begins. Ranges train your discipline better than trends, because they test patience, not analysis. When direction finally emerges, it's clear and powerful. That's when I act. Once, clean, confident. Less guessing, more waiting. How do you make over 1,000 a week from trading? In my Telegram I give free education and show real strategy breakdowns and share daily signals with up to 80% win rate. Join the Sawyer Community and start learning today.